In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the homepage on your Joomla website. This is a fundamental process if you want to update content, change the layout, or just give your site a fresh look. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your Joomla administrator panel. This is the hub where you'll manage all the content and settings for your site. If you've lost your login details, it might be worth checking with your web host or the person who set up your site for you. Once you're logged in, navigate to the menu section and then to main menu. This is where you'll find the controls for the primary navigation menu of your site. Here, you want to look for a menu item marked by a gold house icon in the home column. This icon designates which item is currently set as your homepage. Clicking on this homepage menu item will bring you to a screen where you can check the menu item type. Now there are a few different types that could be set as your homepage. If it's set to featured articles, it means that your homepage is showing selected articles from your site. If it's set to single article, it displays one specific article. Lastly, if the type is category blog, your homepage is listing articles from an entire category. If your homepage uses the featured articles setting, you'll need to make a visit to the content section, then click on articles. This is where you can control which articles are featured on the homepage. Look out for articles with a yellow star beside them. These are your featured articles. To update the content on your homepage, simply choose an article to edit. Make the necessary changes, whether it's updating text, adding images, or tweaking design elements. Once you're satisfied, simply save your changes. Another way to customize what appears on the homepage is to manage which articles are marked as featured. You can unstar articles that you no longer want to show and star new ones that you'd like to be highlighted. This is a quick and flexible way to keep your homepage content fresh and relevant. And there you have it, a straightforward way to edit your Joomla homepage. With these steps, you can successfully update your site's main page to reflect new information or stylistic updates. As always, remember to save your changes before exiting, and consider backing up your site regularly to prevent any unexpected data loss. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.